I just wanted to share with you guys my Hobby Lobby haul. A lot of people have been posting different videos on their hauls, and I think it's good to know what's out there and what you could possibly get for a good price. So here we go. So all the ribbon, I believe it was last week, was on sale for 50% off. I don't know about this week, but you can always use a 40% coupon that you get if you are on their list. And it's just a matter of signing up. So I went ahead and I got this pretty vintagey one. Let me go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is that trim. I thought it's nice and flat, so it could go nicely on a card, and I could mail it with no problems. Then I went ahead and I got this one, which I thought was very cute as well. It's also flat, lace flat, and it's cute little pom-poms like. I got this one, which I thought was cute. It has like hearts. I really liked my vintage Valentine's Day cards, so I thought this would be good for next year. And I got this one, which I don't know why I fell in love with it. It was $3 with the 50%. It comes out to $1.50, but I just loved it. Okay, so here's this one, which is very sweet. It's a gray. I don't know why I fell in love with it. I just really liked it. It's very sweet. And it's a nice little gray color. Okay, so then I went ahead and I got these little pom-poms. These are a little smaller. I thought this was super cute. Also, it's kind of flat. This has a little more volume to it, but it's really flat. So I like that one. Then I went for this one, which I thought was interesting. This has more volume to it, but not too much. I think it can be usable on a card. I just thought it was so interesting. And yeah, I'm just curious to see where I could use it. But you know, when you're shopping, you get all these ideas in your head, right? I like this purple. It has like an iridescent look to it. Let me go ahead and open it so you can see what I mean. It like already has the variation in color, which I thought was very interesting. I liked that. I think that a bow and used across a card would be cool to see. Then I also got this one. Don't ask me why I got this. I liked it. I don't know why. I thought it was so sweet. The colors are very baby-like. So I am looking forward to using it on a baby card. I thought that was very cute. So I got this one as well. This one was $3.99, half off, because of course you paid $2 for it. Then I got these two, which are very similar, very interesting, different kind of ribbons or trims. But I was so curious, and I'm looking forward to using these on cards. And I was thinking it could even be a frame on a picture. Sometimes I get orders for the usage of pictures, and I just really liked it. I thought this one was very cute, and I like this one because of the different colors. So I got me these two. Slightly different, but different. And I got this one. This is a little trim, and it's little pearls. This is, I think, the one that has most in volume. But you could see here, it's a bunch of little, like pearls. It's a pearl trim. And this one was also $1.50. So like that one, you get a total of 24 feet on this one. So I thought that was cool. And I got this sequence ribbon or trim. I want to say it's a decorative trim. You can see here how pretty the iridescence of it is. I think they had a pink one and a white one as well, but I like this one because it reminds me of scales, and I want to make a card with a mermaid. So I thought this would be perfect for that. Besides, this color is one of my favorites, that light mint teal one. So that was cool. This one was $2 with the 50% off. And then I was able to grab some of these. These were the last ones they had. And these are banners. And I like to make happy birthday congratulations because we do a lot of celebrating here at my house. And I like to put it on my wall. And I spend a lot of time cutting pieces out. And I spend a lot of paper also getting these cuts off of the Cricut. So I was like, well, look at this. This is only $1.50. It's the red tag. So I went ahead and I grabbed me the packs that I was able to find, which is this one and this one, which I thought was cool. Very vintagey, very shabby chic. And this one, which is this iridescent cardstock. And this one I didn't get it so much for a banner, but I got it to cut some pieces off. I've had a really hard time finding cardstock like this for card making, like on a 12 by 12 paper pad. I've even had a hard time finding it at a good price, that is. So I went ahead and I grabbed these three, which I thought these are going to be fun, and I will use them. So on the same section, I found these tags, which I like the figure of them, and they're a little vintagey, a little Victorian, and these were only 99 cents. So it has different patterns of them, which I thought was cool. And I got these little sacks, like little envelopes, paper sacks, and these were only 49 cents. From $1.99, and you get a total of 8. Then I went to the sticker section and I found these butterflies. I like to decorate the envelopes that I send my cards in, so I thought this would be cute for decorating. And I found these that have like these little gems on them. So I thought that was cute, and they have like glitter. And I saw these at Brenda, my crafty friend Brenda. She was showing these that she got, and I said, I just have to go to Hobby Lobby. So yes, Brenda, most of this I owe to you. Thank you, my dear. I saw these girls. They were super cute, 99 cents. And these are 3D. So I thought that would make a cute card. And there are these also, these different variations. So I thought these were cute. They're all kind of like the same idea, which is girl power, girls, right? So I thought these were cute. So I grabbed them. This was 99 cents. These are 3D. These girls here. And these girls are also 3D. They're like on that little spongy material. This was 74 cents for a piece, 12 pieces. And this one was 99 cents. And you see there were $3.99, but I got them for 99 cents. And these are also 3D. Thought these were very cute. My girls. So going on to the stickers, I found this one. This was 74 cents. And thought these were fun to decorate, again, my envelopes. This one was another one for 74 cents. This is a fiesta. And I like the llama. And yeah, I thought that these were good for decorating envelopes. Here's another one, 74 cents. Home Sweet Home. I love that. I love the little Tweety birds and the butterfly. I thought these were really cute, these rain boots. So yeah, a lot to play with. And my husband loves baseball, and so does a lot of other people. So I got these baseballs. I thought they were cool. Missing one in the middle. Who knows who took the belly button there, but but yeah, I got these. These were 74 cents. And then I got these. These were for 74 cents. And I like ocean cards, so stuff that has to do with the ocean. So I thought these would be cute for 74 cents. I said, why not? And you know, I am a singer, so I had to have these. These were for also 74 cents, and I got these to decorate like my binders or my my computer, my laptop, my iPad, not my microphone, but yeah, these were 74 cents. Then I got these. These were for also 74 cents, and I just love these. They're bunch of happy birthday ones. The sloth, the elephant, the giraffe, the turtle, the balloons. I thought these were very cute. These all, again, I got to decorate my envelopes. I found these chipboard letter stickers, which I thought was very cool. These for $1.24, and you get 187 pieces. So I like the feel, and I like that they have the numbers as well. They're pretty thick. They're chipboard, and I just like them. I don't know, I might be using them on a card maybe, or to label something. And then the O is here at the bottom here somewhere. But anyways, got those. Along those same lines, I got these for $1.24. I just really like the type of font it was. Along the same line, $1.49, these gold ones. And I like that they were nice and slim. Got those. And I found this. This was not on sale, but I did use my 40% coupon. I thought this was beautiful. I want this for my mom's birthday card. It just has a lot of little gems. And this is like plastic, but it's really beautiful and quite stunning when you look at it, when you have it face to face. So yeah, that was 40% off. And I got this for 29 cents. I already gave a sheet to my mom. Came a total of 4 pages of this, and I'm always using these for Christmas. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in my Christmas box for next year. And these are very convenient. Just write the name and slap the tag right on the gift. And next I found these stamps. They were reduced. They had a lot of stamps on sale. This one was for $1.49, and I get orders for like weddings, and I thought this was perfect, all because 2 people fell in love. I thought that was a cute sentiment. So I'm going to use that one to just heat emboss. And with my idea of the mermaid, I found this big one. So I thought that would be cute for me to color in. And this was for $2.37. So that I think would go good with my trim here. So I got those. And last but not least, I got 3 rolls of these. And you might say what these are. These are faux leather. And you've seen some cards of mine in this material. And I will show you 2 cards where I used this faux material. One was using this one, and the other one was using this gold one. But I really like it. I really like this faux leather. It gives it a different feel to the card. It is a little thick, but not too thick. So these were not clearance, but they were 50% off because they were in the section of the ribbons. And with this, I conclude my Hobby Lobby haul. I'm actually going to share 3 cards where I use this faux leather material on my cards. And here's this butterfly one where I use the white one. It's iridescent to pink. I also use it on the Starbucks card just as a different type of texture to the card. This is the gold one. And my last one is also using gold. So yeah, this completes my haul for today, my sharing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get inspired. I hope you create and be happy. And please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I appreciate so much your support. Thank you so much. See you next time. Where are you? Where are you? Ah, forget you. I'm gonna cut you. Goodness. And they have little... Chewy! Stop it! Chewy! Stop it! These, blah, blah.